the ostrich, standing 2.5 meters tall. They may seem conspicuous out here, but mounted on that periscope neck are the largest eyeballs of any land animal. They can spot a predator 1.5 kilometers away. Those featherless drumsticks help radiate heat, allowing these birds to tolerate temperatures of 48 degrees Celsius. With little or no competition, they have the pick of the juiciest insects and roots, supplying them with all the water they need. But for this 4-year-old male, just coming of age, it's females, not food, that preoccupy him. He's got little hope of breeding. A little more than 0.5 centimetre of rainfall. The ostrich females are now in the mood for romance. Just what a lusty youngster was hoping for. He doesn't know it yet, but he's already lost the mating game. A booming, amplified call announces the arrival of an alpha male. That's how to make a big hit with the hens. All eyes are on him. Impeccable poise. An elegantly executed waft of the wing. And a neck dip to die for. It's a shimmying showstopper of a performance. He scores a perfect 10. Won over by his masterful moves, a female lowers her wings in acceptance. He better start rehearsing his song and dance routine. He'll be ready the next time the rains come.